This video is made strictly for educational purposes and features meaningful original text commentary to provide added value and insight. This is why you should keep your eyes open while driving.
Are you kidding me?
Stabbed in the back by Tyra, just a little bit. Obviously, you know that day Kayla and I had went really well, and I feel like I definitely pushed any...
Always make sure to check your mirrors before changing lanes. Maybe he has some personal issues with this driver.
ब्लैंकेट्स पीछे करो गोदों से निकालो ब्लैंकेट्स पीछे रखो ब्लैंकेट्स टोपी रखो यहाँ पे कुछ छोड़ दो वो अकबर ये कर क्या रहा है टोपी रखो यहाँ पे कुछ छोड़ दो वो अकबर ये कर क्या रहा है
Holy crap, that person was so close to getting hit.
I mean, that's Spanish. Effing omelet was, wow. Fucking asshole. Hey, fuck you.
I think that she is the most important pop artist to come out in the last couple of years. I love the music that she makes with Phineas, her brother. I loved being able to really see their interactions, their songwriting up close and personal.
Go on then.
Oh no!
Are in demand by all of the major hospital systems in the region. Start in August and have a fulfilling profession before the end of 2023. Learn more at bw.
Oh, really?
during the day, and then imagine one at night.
Mm-hmm.
And which would you assign to which?
I would assign graveyard to the nighttime, creepier one.
And cemetery to the day?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, same.
This is not Avon, right? This is a house inside Indianapolis. Took the initial report, and I think at that moment, the officer that took the report didn't really get into the details about where was she last seen, and what city and what town. And so what happened was that report was taken about 11 or 11:30 on Friday night, and an investigator was not provided the file until Monday morning, late morning, early afternoon on the following Monday. So you figure now you're waking up on Monday, the 18th of March, you're a detective.
I'm suffering dramatically from it, probably, but I don't believe in it, so.
Okay, but
you probably.
I'm curious,
I'm sure.
just from a practical perspective, is there anybody you're currently worried about?
You mean the mafia?
I just, yeah.
Well, let me put it this way. You obviously never read the book.
I haven't read the book yet. I just got
You definitely never watched 60 Minutes.
I have not. So.
Okay.
I'm only doing 65. I feel like I'm the one going too fast today. Usually it's everybody passing me. Look over here to your left. Watch. Go across the middle. There it is. He come up fast. Wow.
Wow, he got real far, didn't he? Look. Oh my God. Lose my mind.
It's funny. I'm finding it's kind of fun. Look at that shit.
Wow.
Oh my God, I'm going to be editing videos like crazy today. Good Lord. This guy shot across all his lanes just so he can get off the 72nd.
Nice looking truck.
And the case in a very general sense. Essentially, I wanted a better understanding of what Alyssa was going through and how her very unique upbringing and relationship with our father could have impacted her.
Off from everybody, and I was like, that's not what's happening, but please go look, you know.
Right.
And so Justin was in control of her Facebook account, so he could see the missing poster, he could see what I was posting.